Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how we can build a website using Replit completely for free and how we can publish it. So I'll show you everything step by step from the very beginning. So here you can see currently we are in replit.com. So the first time you come to this website you need to create your account. So here you can see create account. So we need to click here and you will see multiple options. So we are going to continue with Google. Then we'll choose our email address and click here continue. Then I'll choose the free plan mode, and there you can see. So right now we are in logged into Replit, and here you can see we have a description box. So here we are going to build a website. So if you want to build a website, you need to click on website, and if you want to build mobile app, then you need to choose mobile app, or if you want to only simply create a design, then you can choose a design, and you can also create animation using Replit as well. So since we want to build a website, so we are going to choose website, and here you can see website is created. So we are going to paste a prompt over here that I want to build a expensive watch sale website. The brand name is Ropex, basically the brother of Rolex. And if you want to upload some image or any Figma design, you can upload it over here as well. And here you can see there is multiple skill, add creative, programming, and a lot of things. So if you want, you can add those skill as well. So I'll just add a few skill from here. So here you can see plan mode. So if you want, you can first generate a plan for this prompt, but I'll just going to click on this button. So right now Replit will read our prompt, and based on our prompt it will start building our website. So we want to build a website which have some animation as well. So let's see what Replit does. So there you can see it is now making the design. So it will take some time. So right now I will just fast forward the video until the website creation is complete. And here you can see our website is complete. So it also added some animation. So if I now just scroll down, there you can see the animation is quite smooth and it actually looks awesome. So if we just go down, there you can see we have some watch that we can add to cart, and everything looks quite fine. So if you want to add some more animation, you can just say it over here and Replit will make it for you. For example, let's say we want to add some animation in the footer section. So let's say here, let's just say this, make the footer section with amazing animation. So let's see what Replit does. And there you can see it's done. So let's go and check our footer section. And there you can see it has right now some animation with some cool effect as well. There you can see. So you can modify anything over here. So right now I'm going to show you how you can publish this website. This is really simple. At the right top corner you will see this publish option. So if I just now click on publish, and we're going to click on publish as well again, and there you can see publishing, and it will take a few seconds to publish the website. And there you can see it's done. So here you can see it also give us a link. So we are going to copy the link, and if you just paste it in any browser and press enter, you'll be able to see your website. There you can see Rolex, and if we now just scroll down, the website looks quite amazing. So let's go down. So there you can see. So if you want, or we can also add some animation behind this text as well, but overall this look quite expensive website, and we can always make some changes by giving the prompt and just republish the website again. So yeah, this is how you can use Replit to build any kind of websites. So I hope this tutorial was useful. If you have any question or any suggestion, just let me know in the comment section. Make sure to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.